Welcome to our video on the ultimate guide to buying a new car. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned car owner, there are several things to keep in mind before making a purchase. In this video, we'll break down the essential steps to ensure you get the right vehicle for your needs and budget. Step 1. Research and plan before starting your car search. Take some time to research different models and read reviews. Consider your lifestyle, budget, and needs, and make a list of your priorities and non-negotiables. Step 2. Test drive and inspect. Once you've narrowed down your options, it's time to test drive your top choices. Pay attention to how the vehicle handles and if it's comfortable for you. Also, inspect the car for any signs of wear and tear. Step 3. Financing and insurance. Now that you've found your ideal car, it's time to think about financing and insurance. Compare rates and options from different lenders and insurance providers. Consider factors like monthly payments, interest rates, and coverage limits. Step 4. Check the vehicle history. Use services like Carfax or AutoCheck to check the vehicle's history report. This can give you valuable information about the car's past ownership, accidents, and any outstanding recalls. Step 5. Negotiate and finalize. Once you've found your perfect car, it's time to negotiate the price. Don't be afraid to walk away if the deal isn't right. Finally, review and sign all paperwork carefully before taking possession of your new vehicle.